Looks like here comes Jack on the bottom. Ooh, it's gonna be close. Oh, Cutler gets a little bit loose. We'll take P3. Oh, Jack into the inside wall. Side by side for a second. Oh, Jack around! Cutler to the wall. Here comes Dar. 2 to go. Check battle. Oh, Cutler went right into the wall. Oh, Jake got loose. Oh, contact leaders. Jake, Dar. But here comes Lucky using Catbird to see if they both wreck. White flag. One more time around. Lucky to the wall. Oh, Jake to the wall. One more time. 2 more corners. Does Dar have anything for Jake? You won't have anything. Jake will win. So Weehawk will technically finish in front of WoW. Great race overall. Cutler was up there. I feel like if Cutler's up there, then it's a good race. It's kind of harder now since last. Now we could head over to race chat.
I could have won. I could have won today, but only Jake
He's
and Dark
backing me up, and I'm just
crashed.
waiting for you.
Lucky, you turned right into the wall. What are you talking about? You just did what Cutler did.